I was in this hotel this morning in Potosi. I was in an old hostel. The place is really cute, but I was freezing cold in my room. But we are at almost 4,000 meter height. At least it was a bit less than when I was freezing cold in the tent in the desert. Yeah, that was the main court of this place. And here my little marmot was sleeping underneath the arch, which was good. So now I'm gonna leave the place and go to Sucre. Oops. No se puede? No sé, perdona. Okay, so this is not a good place to go. Following the GPS is sometimes not a good idea, but I have no choice because I'm completely lost in this city. Poor marmot, you're out of breath, and you too, are you? I can feel these dogs. Nope. No. Shh. No. I'm now leaving Potosi. I'm really out of breath all the time. Too high in altitude. Wow, look at this arch. That is quite beautiful. So I'm going to tell you a bit about this city, what I've learned. So Potosi was a mine place. I mean, in the 16th century, 1570 something, the Spanish crown, it was just after Inquisition. The Spanish crown discovered, no, they didn't discover anything actually. They arrived in Americas. Christopher Columbus didn't discover anything properly. Everything was already existing, but they invaded the place, to be honest. And these mountains, I'm gonna show you a picture, was full of silver. And for about almost 3 centuries they were exploiting the mines of silver. And okay, I'm gonna go. Whoops, I'm faster than you. Right. It's so dusty when you are behind these trucks. So this poor mountain was really exploited, and the native people were also exploited as slaves in the mines. And all the silver became coins, which made all the wealth of the Spanish crown, and then the English crown. So more or less, at this time, Potosi was one of the richest city in the world, with London as well. London and Potosi was super rich, extremely rich. because of this mining activity. And I've heard that maybe 8 million people died in these mines. So I have no idea. Somebody told me that, so I don't know if the number is accurate or not. But yeah, many people died in this mine, in these mines, extracting the silver. And yes, all the wealth of Europe, and especially the Spanish crown, came from here. And I met some girls and they told me, oh, you have to visit the mine. But I'm quite claustrophobic, so I don't think it's a really good idea for me to go in this place. And more than that, I really can feel the energy of this place. It's really heavy, especially in town. And I didn't feel really well. I didn't feel well at all. So I decided not to visit anything. I just walked a little bit and streets around my hotel. And it was freezing cold in my hotel because yeah, I think we are just gonna check the altitude if it works. Yeah, we are at 4,015 meters, so I was a bit higher than that. So yeah, more than 4,000 meter height. So I was really freezing cold in my room, and I decided to leave. Too bad for visiting the city, but I did not feel well at all in the city. The energy was really low and I could clearly feel it. So now I'm heading to Sucre, and I hope it's gonna be a bit more sweet, as Sucre means sweet. What a joke. Looking forward to have a coffee with Sucre and leche latte. I have something like 200 kilometers to do, so it's gonna be pretty okay. And I've checked the road, seems to turn all the time, which is going to be really cool and enjoyable. Now 96 kilometers to go to arrive to Sucre. I'm slowly leaving the desert, and you can see around it's getting more and more green, which is quite enjoyable. I had enough of desert between northern Argentina, then Chile, the desert of Atacama, and Neo Uni, all these areas are very dry. So I'm quite happy to see a bit of green right now. And even though I'm getting used to do this journey through South America, I'm still amazed that I'm driving my motorcycle in Bolivia. That is quite awesome. Makes me really free and happy. It's really an amazing sensation. I'm loving it. Those speed bumps are really bumpy. Well, that's the main idea. I just stopped in this little place because I have a headache, so I bought a bottle of water to drink a little bit. I think it's good when you have headaches. This is just maybe a place to watch something. Wow. Hey, that's... Oh, there's another point right there. Maybe even better. But this one is really nice. I'm not in a rush. It's still sunny. I avoid the rain, which is good. And I'm just going to find the hostel. If it's good, I'm gonna stay there. And I feel much better than in Potosi. Really, the energy was so dark, so heavy. It's not the fault of the city, but I think it's the history that make that. I did not feel well there. So now I'm way lower. We change a little bit. As you can see, the vegetation is completely different here. Perdona, una pregunta. Hostel Villa Oropesa. Ah, no. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Okay, wow.